Hello everybody, this is Hari from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'll be telling you how to install the beta version of iOS 17. So for that you need to register your you must have an Apple ID verified. So after you verify your Apple ID, just go to settings and a general software update. For this option, just go to software update, beta updates, and then choose iOS 17 developer beta, because 16 is going on and it's just a public small updates but not major update. You have to try 17 for that. Click that and you can just already install it. It's gonna take like 40 minutes or maximum an hour to install on your phone. And after installing it, it's gonna ask for a restart. You can just click install tonight or install now. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this every day. And if you have any comments, you can put your queries down in the comments. We'll reply to you. For more tips and tricks like this, visit gossipfunda.com, and you can also visit us on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Check out the link in the description and you can visit the website. Thank you.
It's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the